Welcome back. We're moving on to the next lesson, and this one is dealing with adding clip art. So this is where we left off in the middle of our table. What we need to do is scroll down just a little bit. We're going to put our cursor at the left of the outdoor design mission statement. As you can see, mine is flashing right there. Okay, then we're going to go to the home ribbon, and underneath the insert group here, we're going to click on picture, and we're going to add a clip art picture. But first we're going to go to the gallery, and the gallery has a search option just like many things do now, and we're going to click here. It should be already highlighted for you. We're going to type the word globe. Whoops. And we're going to search for an image of a globe. Okay, and we found one, of course. So the globe is selected. We're going to click insert, and our gallery is going to go away. If you double clicked on it and it went in for you, just go ahead and close your gallery. The next thing we need to do is format our picture. Okay, so we're going to click on the image to make sure that it's selected, and then we're going to go up here and click on format picture. So make sure you do click on that, and you'll get a lot of other options here. Okay, we're going to recolor our picture, and we're going to make it this light green color. Remember, we're talking about going green. So we're going to choose this accent color 1 light. It's going to turn our globe kind of a cool looking light green. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is change our picture style. So right here we have our picture styles group. We're going to mouse over this until we get our down arrow. And then we're going to choose this oval. It's called soft edge oval, as you can see there, and it's going to kind of fade the edges out. There are lots of other things here for you to look at and play with later on, but this is the one we're going to use today. Okay. If you kind of notice here, our text got a little messed up, and we can't move our picture wherever we want because our image is actually in line with our text, just like any other character would be. So we need to change the way that our picture works with our text. So we go to this arrange group here, and we're going to go to wrap text. Okay, and we're going to choose the square option, and this is going to allow us to move our object kind of wherever we want. But we don't want it to be as large as it is. So we're going to take our handle and we're going to drag it smaller and smaller and smaller until it has a width of 1 and a height of 1. You can see that in that little yellow flag that came up as I'm dragging it in. Okay, and that looks about right. Let me give you a vocab term there while we're doing this. This image is now called a floating image because we can move it around, like I said. Before it would be called an inline graphic. Okay, just so you know what that's called. Now we need to move our image because that's not exactly where we want it. We're going to drag it down until the very bottom is in line with the bottom of our text. So that is exactly where I want it, exactly how I want yours to look. And that finishes this lesson, so make sure you do a Command S or you hit on your floppy disk up there and get this saved just the way you have it.